Recording in progress.
Good morning. Happy Sunday. I am following up on a question. A question about spiritual guides and how do you release interference and heal yourself? So there are many ways to do that. Ideally, you would take a healing modality. There's a lot of healing modalities. For example, Reiki. Now, why would you even want to heal yourself? Why does that impact your guides? And here's how it works. Your guides are an extension of you. You are a spirit. You have this physical body, but you also have energy bodies, and you have chakras, and you have guides, and you have a higher self and a divine I am that creates guides for you. It's not like you read in the Bible where, your angels went rogue and did all this stuff. It's about healing yourself. Heal yourself, and the angelic realm and the realm of guides will be very friendly for you and will work for you. It is yours. It is not like that the universe is in chaos and everything is terrible. It's for you to heal yourself. So exactly how you heal yourself, you know what? I cannot explain that in a few minutes. I do have a video. If you reach out and DM me, I will send you a video about people who cannot connect with their guides and how I suggested they work through that. It's not a short video. It's a couple of hours long. Besides that, I have in my Renegade Healer program, if that's part of your vision to connect with your guides, that is something we would focus on. You can't do it just by dipping your toes on the ocean of the internet. You have to go deep. I worked with a shaman for 3 years. She's an expert on guides, and that's all we did. And she didn't do healings for me. One time she did for about probably 10 minutes out of every month. We'd meet once a month, sometimes twice a month, and we would go through different reasons the guides didn't work. And what we were focusing on was obviously my healing, but I started realizing it was interference. So every time I had a command out to my guides, if I had a wound, part of that spectrum of the energy I'm sending out, if I had a wound or if I had a thought structure that wasn't right, or if I had a belief that was preventing me from doing the job right, then my guides would be impacted. All right? Happy Sunday. That is the message for today. If you're interested in learning more about Renegade Healer, the link will be in the description or the bio, whatever social media platform you're on, or YouTube. You'll have to go to learnspiritualwellbeing.com and just message me. Okay? Bye-bye.